Let's take a look at this example. Before we are going to perform any operations, we're supposed to organize this equation. We have to move 9 to the left side. We have 16x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. And again, this is nothing else, just difference of two perfect squares. We can rewrite left side as 4x to the second power minus 3 squared equals 0. If you are going to use this formula, you can rewrite this expression as 4x minus 3 times 4x plus 3 equals 0. In order to balance this equation, the left side must be equal to 0. In order to do so, one of these factors is supposed to be 0 or both. Simply write 4x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. In order to find value of x, I have to move negative 3 to right side, and I have 4x equals 3. Continue, divide both sides equation by 4. X is equal 3 over 4. Let's take a look at this equation. In order to find value of x, I have to move first 3 to right side, and I have 4x is equal negative 3. Divide both sides equation by 4. X is equal negative 3 over 4. This is my second answer. Let's verify if our answers are correct. Copy down the original equation. We have 16x squared is equal 9. We have 16 times 3 over 4 squared is equal 9. So I have 16 and I have 9 over 16 is equal 9. 16 and 16 will cancel out, and I have 9 equals 9. Left side of my equation is equal to right side. That's why this is correct answer. Let's take a look at the second answer. We have again 16x squared equals 9. We have 16. I have negative 3/4 instead of x to the second power equals 9. So this is 16 9 over 16 equals 9. 16 and 16 will cancel out. 9 is equal 9. This is also correct answer. So we can say that these two values of x are the correct solutions to my problem.